everyone, my name is Tara. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make Cajun chicken penne. Okay, let's start it. Okay, I put 2 cups of water, a teaspoon salt, and a spoon of oil to the water to boil. So we make this until the water is boiled. Now we're gonna cook our chicken. Just put like 3 spoons of oil. So these are the chicken I already chopped, small pieces. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit salt, pepper, paprika, and a little bit chili powder. Mix it. Oh, okay, here the water is boiling, so I'm gonna put the 3/4 cup of pasta to boil. So I close the lid. And here now my oil is hot. Just gonna put the chicken here. First I cook the chicken. Pasta boiling. If you like, you can chop your chicken a little bit smaller size. So the pasta is boiling. So the chicken needs to be like about 10 minutes to cook. I leave the lid on. After 5 minutes, I open the lid and I just mix it a little bit. Yeah, see, one side is a little nice and goldish color. Then I put back for another 5 minutes. So after 5 to I think 7 minutes, I come and I check the pasta. It's ready. See, it's soft. It's ready. Now we're gonna take the water out, drain the water to the sink. I put a little bit cold water on it. So the chicken is almost ready. You cut one piece of the chicken. You cut one piece of the chicken and you check if it's white inside, it means it's cooked. If it's a little bit pink color, it needs to be cooked a little bit more. So this is ready. Now I put everything on the side. Now I put a small piece of butter. I chopped a red onion. If you like white onion, yellow onion, you can use that too. But I like red onion in this pasta, Cajun chicken penne. I'm gonna make a small slice of garlic. So I use 2 cloves of garlic. Saute it a little bit. Cajun chicken penne is supposed to be spicy, but it's all on your hand, how spicy you like. So I have a whole jalapeno. I'm gonna just put like maybe 3-4 slices of fresh jalapeno. Now I will add my chicken. I will add now just a pinch of a little bit of salt, black pepper, paprika, like about teaspoon, chili powder, and chili flakes. A small amount of oregano, looks good and it smells really good. All the peppers, garlic, and the spice. And now time to add a heavy cream. Okay. Just add a little bit cream. Add 1 tablespoon of Parmesan. This is the second one, so 2 tablespoons Parmesan. And then you add your pasta. Oh wow. Looks very good and yummy. Okay, it's ready. Now I'm gonna taste it and tell you guys how it tastes. A little bit chopped parsley. Okay guys, now I'm gonna try to see how is the taste. So I'm gonna take piece of chicken, pepper, it tastes really good. It's not that spicy, the amount that I put, but if you guys like more spicy, you can put more chili pepper or jalapeno, but this amount is really good. It's like a mild spicy. I hope everyone that watching the video, they like it and they will try to cook it at home for their family. Thank you so much watching my video. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice one. Bye. See you next time.